Shading feature. In the last part of our education, with operations in the shading section, we will give a realistic look. We almost got our object ready. Now we go to shading. Here we see our object at the top. If at the bottom, in the material properties, we have an area that shows all the features. Because we can do the operations in more detail, we will continue the transactions from here. We've added a texture before. You can see the image on the surface. 2. Add a texture and the transition of colors in the image. We have a vehicle that we can see more clearly. Shift at home. We add mixed colors from color and place them together. This is how we connected our first texture. 2. We add image texture from texture for our texture. And open from our texture folder. Select ambient occlusion and call it Open Image. Then we connect the color to the second texture. Our colors appear in reverse priority. From the mix to fix this, we fix IT by choosing Multiply. Your colors are clearer and makes IT look realistic. Place these parts by closing them when our operations are finished. We can prevent the coating. We move on to the next image. We will add We add image texture from texture with Shift A. Saying Open again, to give a metallic feature from inside the planks. Adding metalness. And you see the color here. We connect to the metallic part. Feature provided by this process. Metallic appearance of the nails on the surface. Let's move on to the next process. We know we manually set the roughness. But now we're going to texture. We call it image texture. We say Open. This time we select the roughness texture from the planks folder. Border roughness, so that texture does not affect color in the image. sRGB we noun color. We change to. Then we connect color to roughness. Automatically add its brightness according to texture. To clarify the depth on the surface, we add a bump from the vector with Shift A. We connect the normal of the bump to the normal. Then we add the normal map from the vector with Shift A. And we connect the normals here. To adding texture and depth on the surface. We will also clarify the roughness. We added image texture from texture with Shift A. We say Open. We chose planks 10A and add them to displacement. We chose non-color so that the color is not affected. We connect color to Hada. As you can see, depths on the surface began to become apparent. For normal maps, we chose image texture from texture. We say Open. Normal burden. Select and add the GOL file. As we made RGB in colors. And we connect color to color. And you see, light depth and roughness formed on our wall. If you want the depth here, you can reduce the trend by reducing. Zero HLI 1 HLI looks like this. According to the surface, we should move it to the value it looks realistic. The flashes here seem too much right now. To fix these flashes, we need to make an adjustment in roughness. But both left in the roughness field. Both on the right, there is nitrogen monoxide tool we can edit. To edit here, we add the color ramp from converter with Shift A. When we leave together, we see that IT makes connections automatic. Let's try to show the brightness closely. When we reduce the white part here, brightness starts to decrease. When we increase the black part, the brightness increases. We wanted to reduce the brightness a little bit. Let's arrange. NOW. The wall section of our object gained a realistic look. Move to the layout to see better. As you can see, we got a more realistic look. Then to arrange the bars in the same way, we go to the shading part. From the slat part here, select the material we want. We can trade on. Now let's quickly edit the fence part. We came to the layout part. The shading procedures of the bars have been completed. As you can see, our railings also gained a realistic look. After these operations, about the windows, we can switch to shading work. There will be some differences in our window, because we only worked with one picture in our windows and there was nitrogen monoxide other text before. This way, how to ensure realism when working only with pictures. First add bump from vector with Shift A and normal. Normal. We use IT as texture. The color of our window.png file. We connect to life. According to the colors of the picture, starts to give an automatic roughness. We fix the stress here by reducing IT a little. Then the glass parts of our window. So to see the blank parts in our PNG file, we combine the alpha you see with the alpha below. The material preview in the right menu. Located below, blend mode and shadow mode. We change them to alpha blend and alpha hest. Go to the layout section. Our windows gained a realistic feature. We made the glass parts of the window transparent. Finally, the door part. Let's finish our transaction by editing and shading. We came to shading. We choose the door. Let's give the roughness. We added bump from vector with Shift A. Normal. And we tied the color to Haida. The roughness was too much. We reduce IT slightly from the stretch part. Where you think IT looks realistic, you can leave the process. The doors and windows from here, you can edit by hand. Coming to the layout part, our editing process is over. Now taking an image of the work we have prepared, let's complete our transaction. First on stage, other vehicles seen outside our object. To remove visibility, we disable the show overlays. Then the view section. Click on viewport render image option. Finally, we take a photo of the work we prepared. We can save our image by saying save from image. Production of a model in the Blender during the training. And a realistic look. We have seen the procedures to be done to obtain. You completed the Blender training.